In the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up.